Is this VEVOR Workbench the one that you're looking for? Let me tell you why I chose it. A couple different things. First off, let's start with, I love the size, I love the height. The height is adjustable. I'll show you how those adjustments work. It also comes with built-in power strip, cool VEVOR branding. Oh, there's also a pegboard if you were to choose to use that. And obviously I am completely infatuated with the fact that you could wheel it around everywhere. Obviously it is beautiful. It's got this nice wood finish top, which who knows how long it'll look like that being in the shop here. But we know that's how life goes for workbenches in a real working garage. Overall, I think this thing's awesome. Let me just walk you through a couple of the construction specifics. As I mentioned, you have adjusters here. You have a lot of adjustment in the height. I have it way up high because I'm tall. That's the way I wanted it. Here on the side, you do have pegboards, but as I discussed, it has this built-in power strip along with two USB-A connections. So as we discussed, it does have wheels which are lockable, just like that. Super easy. Unlock them like that. No big deal. And finally, bring it back around past the really nice VEVOR branding, and you have a full side of pegboards, and it comes with the pegs themselves. So it is really very complete. I hope you enjoyed that tour. So anyway, this is a highly recommend for me. I really love it. I love the wheels. So it also comes with like a rubberized pedestal that you can put it on if you didn't want to be able to do this with your table. I do, so that's why I have it set up this way. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.